Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be decorating for Valentine's Day, and I also am going to share a little recipe or dessert at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that and watch to the end. It will be a great activity for you to do with your kids because it's simple, it's really easy. But if you're new, hi, welcome. My name is Sandra King. I make a ton of cleaning motivational videos as well as home decor videos, different types of hauls from clothing to groceries, and I also do a ton of day in the life vlogs. And if that sounds like content that you would be interested in, I would love for you to click the subscribe button and join our family, the Kings. But yeah, let's jump right into this video. So right now I'm just going to give the couch a good deep clean. These cushion covers haven't been washed in a while, and I just don't want to add like new throw pillows and a throw blanket without doing that first. And they also needed to be vacuumed out. I probably haven't done this in about a week, so it was good to just do it all together at once. So here's how the couch looked before I cleaned it out. This one was the dirtier one compared to the other big couch, but you see my sidekick Colin's there to watch me clean up as he was dirtying up like my kids always do. But yeah, like I said, this couch wasn't as bad as the other one, so that was fast and easy to clean. And then I just gave the carpet a good vacuum since I am vacuuming the couches. So yeah, I got that done. So as I'm about to clean this TV stand, I'm just removing all of the old random decor that I had sitting up here, and I'm going to give it a good wipe down with my method cleaner and my Grove collaborative microfiber towel. But yeah guys, I get a Grove collaborative box with cleaning supplies every month, and you can too if you click the link down in my description box. It will give you a free gift with your order, so check that out. But yeah, now I'm just decorating and adding the decor. Some of this is from last year's decor haul, and then some of this is from this year's decor haul. Both will be linked down in the description box, so you can check that out. I also tried to link everything possible that I could find online from this year's decor haul, because I am using these mini bakeware heart-shaped pans that I am using towards the end of this video for dessert. So you can grab those from, I believe, Hobby Lobby, and the link is in the description. But you can also find them on Amazon as well if you choose to use that website. But yeah guys, and they're really inexpensive at Hobby Lobby. They were like $5.99 or $4.99. So yeah, that'll be a really good item to get if you want to do some Valentine's Day baking with your kids. Once I got to this bookshelf, I realized I didn't have as much decor as I thought I had. I feel like I do this every time I decorate. But yeah, I went back in the basement. I said, girl, you got to shop your house. Like, what can you use this downstairs in the basement from Christmas and bring back up to repurpose and just change some things around? So, you know, if you ever looking for stuff to decorate your house, see what you already got. And it's not even just for Valentine's Day, but for anything. Like if you got gold accents upstairs that can come downstairs, or vice versa, just to rearrange some things. Like, don't forget to shop your house, like, because I know I do all the time, and I'm immediately going outside to just go buy something else. But yeah, shop your house, you'll save some money. This candle was one of my favorite things that I bought, and I bought this from Home Goods. It's a 7-wick candle and it smells amazing. Like, I never seen a 7-wick candle before, so I was like, I had to get this. I forget how much it costs, but like I said, it'll be linked below. So I bought this new glass cleaner. It's called Sprayway, and I seen everybody else using it, and I got it to see what the hype was about. And I'm still not sure how I'm feeling about it. I think I just need to keep using it to see if it's like living up to the hype, because right now it's just giving me, regular glass cleaner in a can. So yeah, that's my honest opinion so far. I usually buy home decor as well from Amazon, and I forgot to get these red coasters that would have looked so cute right here. So I did order them, but they're not here in time for this video. So yeah, I'm gonna add those right behind in the back, so it'll make it look cuter. Also, that Ray Dunn candle smells amazing, guys. It's from Home Goods. What I can say about this glass cleaner is that it does dry fast, so that is definitely a plus. So when I went shopping for my Valentine's Day decor, I bought these heart-shaped placemats, and then I went to Hobby Lobby and I seen some other square-shaped placemats, and I was confused on which ones I wanted to use, but I ended up going with these heart ones because I thought it looked good with these charger plates that my sister bought me for Christmas, which actually she bought them for the new house, but I'm using them now. Thank you, sis. And yeah, I put the clear plates with them just so you can see the charger plate. That was her idea, by the way. So I just went with that, and then I used the same napkins that I used for Christmas to decorate this table. And if you see towards the end of the video when I show you the whole house, that I added a vase, like a Valentine's Day vase with some roses to this table as well. This was the closest thing that I found to a wreath because, like I said, I didn't order stuff online ahead of time, and this was the rug that I found. I think I say this all the time, but I like it facing that way towards me. But as for any like holiday or celebration, I like to use my white sheets so I can decorate my room to match the rest of the house. And I didn't buy a bunch of throw pillows like I usually do, but I did buy one, and I'm going to add that to the bed as well. And Also, I added a red throw blanket towards the end that was for Christmas, but like I said, I didn't order a lot of stuff ahead of time, so I just shopped my house and bought up from the basement what I needed to go with the rest of my decor that could pass for Valentine's Day but might be really Christmas. Guys, I brung this blanket back out even though it says like ho 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 and season's greetings. I still thought it would be a cute addition to the bed. Oh, look at Colin. I didn't feel like buying another one. What do you call that? A Valentine's Day throw blanket. So I just used the one I already had. Shop your house. But let me show you this pillow that my girl Ma got me. Like, isn't this so nice? Like, it's so nice. Like, I almost cried. Like, I almost shed a tear. And like, I don't easily cry. But I just felt like this pillow was so dope. And that was so nice of her to get this for me. Like, before I hit 1,000 subscribers, she had ordered it. Like, this was just the best ever. And thank you, Ma. Thank you. But everybody, go make sure you check out her channel and subscribe as well. Tell her Sandra sent you and join her Star Trekkers. Yes, guys, that she is so sweet. I'm sure you will love her. Look at him. He can't be left alone. He can't. Colin, sit down, please. Alright. Come on. So here are the mini bakeware heart-shaped pans that I got from Home Goods. And yeah, I'm just giving them a little grease down, even though they are non-stick. And as you can see, my husband is still in cake batter. But yes, you just make the box cake or make it from scratch, however you do it. Don't fill them up all the way so they don't overflow. But yeah, I'm going to bake these just according to the box. It took about 10 to 12 minutes. So it was really, really fast. So once they're done cooking and they're all cooled off, you just want to cut that hump part off just to make it flat and then flip them over. So I did 2 just to show you guys, but I let Kennedy play and decorate with the other 2. And you can see it's a whole the rest of the cake over there that you can make with like cake pops or something else if you like to do that as well, because those are easy as well. But yeah, I'm just going to, just icing the whole thing with vanilla white icing, and then I'm going to pipe the red icing in a heart shape. I'm not the best piper, so don't judge me or judge me. I don't mind. But it looks cute once you're done doing it anyway. Like, the little design helps make the cake look cute. But yeah, and I just added those little sprinkles, sugar sprinkles from the top. And then you can see, like this one, I just piped the whole thing in the heart shape, and that was pretty much how it came out. Alright, so for this next recipe, really quick, simple, I shared on TikTok. You just put some cookie dough in the heart-shaped pan and let it cook. So you take it out the pan once it's done and cooled, and you just pipe the red icing around it as, in a heart shape. And then you're all done. But yeah, guys, follow me on TikTok. I just got back on there. I did have an account before when the global health crisis broke out, but now I'm back on there and I'm going to be active as well. But now I'm just going to give you a glimpse of what I did. A few things isn't shown, like I added a red rug in the bathroom, and just some stuff in the kitchen. Nothing major, like a red mat I already had. So yeah, this is how the living room looked. I had those white pillow covers for the throw pillows already in the basement that I found I didn't use for Christmas, so I used them now for Valentine's Day. So yeah, like I said, shop your house because you never know what you might can transition into, you know, the next holiday or season or whatever. But yeah, guys, I'm just gonna close the video out here. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and as always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.